Thank you, Professor Buckley. Ladies and gentlemen, you've seen the proceedings on the dais, on the screen, through live and through other modalities for the past 2.5 days. It's now time for the members on the dais to listen to what you have as an observation of this fourth APVIC course of Asia Pacific Vascular Society. We'll pass on the microphones to you. If you could please volunteer and have your comments on the course. So that, yeah, there's a gentleman at the back. Can the AV team kindly hand over a microphone to that gentleman? Yeah, please raise your hand, kindly introduce yourself and have your comments. If you'd like to involve.
I am Dr. Vinay Krishna from Cardiology Institute, Kanpur. And this unique effort, I am Director of Cardiology Institute, Kanpur. I am basically a cardiovascular surgeon. But in my institute, cardiology, cardiac surgery and cardiac type of teaching and training program is a must for the proper career development of the residents and fellows who are doing post-graduation. And I feel that we should have this participation has been voluntary on the part of fellows, but as a government institution in my state, I am planning to induct this training program as a compulsory training program for the fellows who are doing in DM or MCH, so that it becomes a standard part of their curriculum, and in future they can be properly trained. Because at present, whosoever is getting the hardware and guide wire and stent and catheter is trying to put it without proper training, and this is the only forum in India which I have found that will be able to provide proper training which can be certified, and those persons can do a better work for the patients and can give better results, and they will be also helpful for the development of this specialty in our country. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Krishnan. Do we have any further comments on the? Yeah, there's a gentleman, Dr. Tindal at the back, please.
I think I need to congratulate to all the directors and the course directors. So I've been attending this meeting from last 4 years, and it has really grown very well. And I think the material, everything was fantastic. Just a small comment. I think we, just sitting at the back, most of the people who are, I think we need to get down the meeting slightly to a downer level if we think that it is a fellow course, because most of the people who are sitting at the back, they will not be able to understand that the level at what we are talking. And second, what I personally feel is that we need to decrease the number of lectures and give more time for the question and answers. Because you see, the fellows, nearly every fellow should be able to ask at least 5 to 6 questions, should be able to get up in a meeting, in a 3 days meeting. I hardly see any fellow asked a single question, because I'm 100% sure they will be asking like what sheath, what is catheter. Some people will not be even knowing what is the sheath and what is the difference between a catheter, guide wire and a catheter. Such a basic things which will be lacking. And I personally feel that there should be more time for question and answers, and there could be a less number of cases which could be presented.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Jindal. Yeah, we have Dr. Sani Garko at the back from Abuja, Nigeria. Can somebody, Dr. Balarab Sani Garko is there.
Yes, thank you very much. I really would want to congratulate the organizers, especially Professor Khanna for his untiring efforts. And I bring to you greetings from Nigeria and my college. My college is the West African College of Physicians. I'm the college faculty secretary of internal medicine. And I am really impressed by the organization and the conduct of this meeting. I will just want to add that it will help in future meetings to involve some hand-on, not necessarily on a patient. If there are dummies, for example, for demonstration, if it is really aimed at training younger fellows, for example, to establish access, to have some maybe video, either quiz or something, so that somebody can assess himself whether he has learned something or not, just like the previous speaker said. Overall, I believe this is one of the best meetings I have attended, and I once again want to congratulate the organizers. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Sanigarko. Do we have any further observations on the proceedings? Okay, if there are none, then may I request as the concluding part of this closing ceremony, the proposal of vote of thanks by Professor Khanna.